Hello, race fans, and welcome to round two of the Virginia iRacing League. We're here at Langley Speedway for the Duda's Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning 50. Now, the cars, they've just finished qualifying, and they're getting ready to line up on the grid here. And this is round number two here in Langley, 0.36 mile short track here. Pretty good night for racing out here. 78-degree air temperature, winds 4 miles an hour, and track temperature is 80 degrees. As always, thank you for tuning in to Race Motorsports TV. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe, and also click that notification bell so you'll know each time we go live. Now, as the cars get ready to take the field, let's take a look at the points as they stand so far. Dennis Weeks, he's leading with 43. Shane Wilden second. Gene Duda third. Jeffrey Goodpaster fourth. Yours truly, Tony Rice fifth. Travis Eccles sixth. Vern Bradley's in seventh position. But folks, that's going to change a little bit here today because now Dennis, he's not here tonight, so that's going to shake up the points pretty big here. Plus, we also have some a few newer drivers in the lineup here tonight. And as they take off, let's take a look at that starting grid. On the pole, we've got Vern Bradley, Kevin O'Brien starting second position, Sean McLaughlin in third, Shane Wielden in fourth, Robbie Bice fifth position, yours truly, Tony Rice sixth, and Gene Duda in seventh position. Cars lining up for the start here of the race. Beautiful night here at Langley Speedway. This is actually where when I started racing go-karts, this is where we started racing down here with the Hampton Roads Kart Club. Lights are out on the pace car. Getting ready to get going here. Okay, pace car is in. And we are racing here at Langley. Vern Bradley quickly pulls ahead of the 77, Sean McLaughlin. McLaughlin starting to feel a little bit of pressure already from the 84, Kevin O'Brien. O'Brien trying to move in close there. Bradley starting to get a little bit more distance now, right behind O'Brien. There's Robbie Bice running in that fourth spot. He's followed by Shane Wielden. I'm trying to catch him. Tony Rice, sixth position. Gene Duda in the seventh spot. Your leader, Vern Bradley, opening up a nice gap here. Right now he's showing a 1.26 second gap to McLaughlin. McLaughlin coming under a lot of pressure there from the 84 O'Brien. Langley, a very flat track, no banking to really help you out whatsoever. And got to really be careful as you get on the power coming out of those turns. He has doesn't have any pressure from behind at the moment. Robbie Bice is currently in that fourth spot. He's running pretty free and clear in the fourth spot there. Yours truly, Tony Rice. I'm in the sixth position there. followed by Gene Duda. He's got a lot of pressure there from Shane Fielden in that number 5 car. Fielden looking to get around the 66. I think he's going to make the pass there, folks. As they cross the line there, Fielden's going to pick up that 6th spot as they go onto the backstretch. Duda trying to get back around the 5 car. They race down the backstretch here. Oh no, and Duda goes spinning around. Oh, and into the wall a little bit. That, I don't know, that might bring out the caution. We'll see if it keeps rolling. I think we're caution. Oh, it did bring out the caution. He was able to keep rolling, but he slowed down just enough to bring out the caution. So that'll be that'll Vern Bradley still your leader. Caution here on lap 15. Somebody's on pit road. Looks like Kevin O'Brien. He's coming down pit road. And also Robbie Bice is also coming in for a pit stop. Just enough time to get, look like no, O'Brien's already in. I think he got a splash of fuel to top off. Robbie Bice getting tires. He may be getting fuel as well. There's just enough time. This track is just big enough. Let's see if he gets out in time here. It's going to be close here. They come out of 4. And I think the pit road exit is still open. And he's just able to get out before they come around. So he'll stay on the lead lap there. Very tight entry and exit to Langley here. Got to make sure you stay down below that yellow line before you get to that blue cone and stripe at the end. Otherwise, you will get a penalty. As he makes his way around the field there, I think the lights will be going out on the pace car this time around. It'll be lap 19 on the restart. Bradley, McLaughlin, Rice, Fielden, O'Brien, Bice are running order. Gene Duda in 7th. Look like we have one more lap of our caution here at least, or at least a couple more. You know, at least one more before the lights go out. Somewhere, Duda, he did lose a lap somewhere. He spun. I guess the leader went by him as he spun there on the front stretch, so he did lose a lap. And so he'll be, right now he's in the lucky dog position. Lights are out on the pace car, so we'll be getting ready to go green. The field is forming up now for the restart. Pace car is in. Green is back out, and we're racing once again here at Langley. Bradley off to another good restart here. Now Weldon, he's a little closer this time. I'm sorry, Sean McLaughlin is a little closer. Trying to close that gap to the 14 car. Yours truly in 3rd. I'm about 4/10 ahead of the 84 Kevin O'Brien. O'Brien in that 5th spot. He's followed by Robbie Bice. He's starting to get some pressure now from Shane Fielden. Vern Bradley starting to pull away once again. McLaughlin, Rice, and O'Brien there, just about equal distance apart there. Trying to put that power down and conserve those tires as much as possible. Now, you'll get a lot of laps out of these tires, but if you push them too hard too soon, they will fall off on you, especially at a track like this where there's no banking to help you in the turns. Oh, 64 Rice tags the wall there just a little bit. O'Brien pulls in just a little bit closer, now 0.3 of a second behind the 64. McLaughlin now, he's actually 2 seconds behind your leader. Vern Bradley is checked out 2 seconds down the road. He's still comfortably in that second position. Rice about 0.7 of a second behind, followed by O'Brien. Robbie Bice is still in that 5th spot. He's able to put some distance between him and Shane Weldon. And Gene Duda's, oh, no, I think, did I hear somebody, thought I heard somebody hit the wall, but might have just been somebody tapping the wall there. O'Brien getting a lot closer to the 64 car. Sliding just a little bit coming out of those turns. Battling for that 3rd position. He's starting to move in on Rice and hop on board with the 64. He's 0.8 behind McLaughlin there. And Bradley, he's definitely checked out. He's like 4 seconds down the road. Oh, and McLaughlin gets into the wall. Creates an opportunity there for Rice possibly to get by. I think I might have checked up just a little bit to keep from getting into the back of him, give him a chance to collect that car and keep on going here. O'Brien is laying back just a little bit as we get Rice pulls in a little closer to that 77 car, Sean McLaughlin. O'Brien is still right there. These three are really joined at the hip here, almost. McLaughlin now trying to open that gap just a little bit. Just over half a second from the 64. 84 continuing to close in, getting quite a bit closer there to Rice. Oh, and he almost gets the wall himself, and that's going to open that gap up a little over half a second. Rice is getting a little bit closer to the 77 once again. We're trying to put some pressure on the head to check up a little bit for the 77 once again that time. That's going to allow the 84 taking a peek on the outside. '84 does run wide that time. and he got away from him just a little bit there. And that opened up the gap about definitely almost 0.6 of a second now. Rice continues to try to close in on the 77 Sean McLaughlin. Vern Bradley continues to lead. Bradley comfortably. He's actually starting to, he's going to put some guys a lap down here. Duda, he's already a lap down. Sean Wilden, he's in danger of going a lap down as the 14's right behind him there. Oh, and Weldon gets into the, who is that? Weldon slowing down there just a little bit. Man. Goes by Robbie Bice there. Now Weldon pulls in behind Bice. Oh, and lost, somebody hit a cone. Okay, I thought it was a body part at first. Somebody tagged a cone. Like I said, very tight entry here to the pit road. Meanwhile, back here, McLaughlin, Rice, and O'Brien continue to duke it out. McLaughlin holding on to that second position. They're coming up on the lap car of Poppy Duda. Oh, we got a caution there. Car sitting in the track. I think that was Robbie Bice. That's going to bring out the caution here. Bice turned around somewhere there. No one got collected, so everyone continues to run here. And that will bunch the field back up once again. Looks like your leader is going to peel off, head down pit road. Let's see if anyone else follows him. Yep, McLaughlin, he's also coming in. O'Brien's coming in. Before Tony Rice stayed out to inherit the lead there. Right, got the lap cars of Bice and Duda in front of him. Passing can be a little tricky here. You almost have to wait for your opponent to make a little bit of a mistake just so you can slip inside. Duda and Bice now head down pit road. Rice stays out here on lap 55. Sean Wheeldon, he was showing second place at the moment, but he's going to fall down the order as Sean McLaughlin goes by. I'm sorry, that was Shane Wheeldon. My apologies. He's followed by Vern Bradley. Has been leading up to this point. Now he's back in third position because of that round of pit stops. Wheeldon still waiting to get out of pit road there. Moving a little slow, not sure what the problem is, but now he's away. Careful not to cross that yellow line. Don't want to get a penalty there on pit road exit. Now he's around to catch up to the field. Lights are out on the pace car, so we will be going green on lap 58. Rice, McLaughlin, Bradley, O'Brien, Weldon, Bice, and Duda is the running order. Fields all lined up. Pace car is in, getting ready for the restart. And we're running once again. Sean McLaughlin is all over the 64, and the 14 is all over the 77. Oh, he got into him there just a little bit. McLaughlin goes around. Oh, big pileup, huge pileup. Oh, and the 5 car, I think that's the 5 car, Shane Weldon on his roof. He's going to have to tow in. Oh, man, that's a tough break there. That's going to bring out the caution once again. Weldon now, he's in the process of getting towed back to the pits, so that's going to definitely put him down a few laps as it takes a couple of minutes for the tow truck to pull you back in. Vern Bradley is also coming in. Sean McLaughlin's on his way in. Rice continues to stay out under this caution, followed by the 84 Kevin O'Brien, who's in second. He's got Bison Duda ahead of him on track, though, a couple of lapped cars. McLaughlin makes his way out at tight pit road exit. Now O'Brien's coming into the pits. He's going to give up that second position now. He might be, let's see if he takes tires. Yep, looks like he's going to get left side tires only from the looks of it here. And he's down and away. He'll re-enter in 4th position. As they get reordered into the proper restart position here. The running orders are Rice, Bradley, McLaughlin, O'Brien, Bice, Duda, and Weldon. Now, I think Weldon, he's still getting towed in, unfortunately. The field comes around. Let's see, lights go out on the pace car this time around. And yes, they do. And so we'll be restarting on lap 64. 64 leading, restart on lap 64. Vern Bradley in that 14 car. It's going to be tough keeping him back there. He definitely had that car hooked up all night long, right from the green flag. Come out of 4. Pace cars in. Green flag's in the air. We're racing once again. Now Bradley definitely has fresher tires than the 64. Trying to find a way around Rice. Taking a look on the inside, couldn't quite get close enough. And look at the 77 getting almost getting down on the inside of the 14 himself. Oh, and Rice gets a little bump there, and I think he might have gone through pit road there. And yeah, spoiler alert, folks, I was riding along. I went on the inside of that yellow cone, I believe, and I picked up a pit road speeding penalty. So, yeah, that was a tough break, but you can see where that cone is. And I think when that little contact, and I had to gather the car up, so I had to dive down to the inside of that cone, but that is part of pit road. So that left me with a 15-point, I'm sorry, I think it was like a 30-second speeding penalty. Meanwhile, Bradley continues to lead the race here. Once again, starting to pull away from Sean McLaughlin. McLaughlin, a lot of pressure there from Kevin O'Brien. Brian trying to take a look down on that inside. Oh, and Brian gets a little loose there. Trying to gather it up here. Get back in touch with the 77. That cost him a bit of time there, 3/4 of a second, 8/10 now. Still trying to. I think he made that two-tire. I think it was only a two-tire stop that he made. Left sides only. I don't know if that's agreeing with the car right now or not. And that car is looking just a little bit unsettled coming out of the turns. Meanwhile, Robbie Bice, he's now in fourth position. Gene Duda is, oh no, and he got into the 5. Shane Weldon, and that is going to bring out the caution here if he doesn't get going. And I think we do stay green. He got going soon enough, I believe. Oh no, I'm saying corrected. It did indeed bring out the caution. That, yeah, iRacing software, it'll throw that caution if you stay stationary just a little bit too long. But this time, at least, he's not on his roof, and so he continue to run here. And that will bunch the field back up again. Bradley, your leader, followed by the 77, Sean McLaughlin, Kevin O'Brien in the 84 car in third. Robbie Bice, the 66, I'm sorry, the 4 car, Robbie Bice at fourth. 66, Gene Duda in the 5th position. Yours truly, Tony Rice. Now I'm ahead of him, but I'm a few laps down, I believe. I'm 3 laps down. Shane Weldon, he's still running. Doesn't look like any damage on that 5 car. Race down on pit road exit or entry here. And, oh, who is that in front of him? I think that's the 4 car, Robbie Bice. And he's also on pit road getting tires as well. Field's coming through turns 3 and 4. They need to hurry up. Rice is down in the way. It looks like he'll be able to get out. Is Bice going to be able to get out before they get there? Oh, let's see if the exit is still open. I believe it is, and he just barely sneaks out ahead of the field there. See if the lights go out this time as they cross the line here. And yes, they do. So it'll be lap 81 restart here. Bradley, McLaughlin, O'Brien. O'Brien, he came in and pitted. He was in third. He decided to come in and pit. Look, is he doing a drive-through? Not sure what happened there. No, that's going to be interesting there. Let's see. It's still showing him in third. But I think that's going to get green flags in the air now. We're racing once again. Oh, and McLaughlin and the 77 get together. And we're still racing. Did the caution come out? Yes, it did. That little incident there, that did trigger a caution. Little trigger happy on the restart there, and right now it's showing McLaughlin as your leader. Bradley was able to keep going. He's in second. Kevin O'Brien's still being scored in the 3rd position. Robbie Bice there in 4th. Yours truly, Tony Rice, on the 6th spot. Shane Weldon is in the 5th position. Now Bradley, he's on pit road along with Kevin O'Brien. O'Brien's on pit road again. Not sure why he keeps driving down pit road, and maybe that's some kind of strategy or something. He's driving through pit road. I don't know what he's doing there. That's the second time we saw the 84 car just drive down pit road. but yet he is still showing in the third position. McLaughlin has 3 lap cars behind him. Weldon, Duda, and yours truly, Tony Rice. Now they won't get a wave around because the leader is in front of them. So when they go to the one to go, those 3 will move back to the back of the pack, I believe here. And I believe it'll be 1 to go this time around. And no, not yet. Still 1 more to try to get iRacing. I guess trying to get the field sorted out here. I think this is where the lap cars are starting to move back now. O'Brien there, he's going to have to come up and get in position. I'm not sure where iRacing is going to put him there. And Bradley's up there behind the 77 of McLaughlin. The 5 car, Shane Weldon, he's still behind the leaders, him and Gene Duda. And O'Brien is on pit road once again. And I wonder if he just kept overshooting. I don't know what he's doing. I wonder if he's, I can't figure that one out, folks. At first I thought maybe he was just losing sight of his pit box. I mean, that could have been it. But he definitely has a lot of cars between him and the lead cars. And that's going to make it, even though they're lapped down and stuff, or laps down, it's still tough to pass. And green flag is out with racing once again. McLaughlin, your leader. Bradley in second. They're trying to run down to 77 here. Bradley's getting ever closer to the 77. Oh, he's up close enough now. He's going to take a look on the inside. He's going to get that pass for the lead. Turn Bradley back to the lead once again. Now Sean McLaughlin trying to hold on to the 14 car. Bradley, he's just had wicked pace here tonight, though. Robbie Bice now in the 3rd spot. Now he's got the lap cars of Rice and Duda in front of him. Shane Weldon is several laps down. He's behind now. Bice trying to make his way through the field here. And he's followed by Kevin O'Brien. This is a battle for position here. Bice in 3rd, O'Brien in 4th. I'm kind of thinking he might have been up a little further if he hadn't pitted. I'm still puzzled as to why he rolled down pit road, but he's got his work cut out for him here, trying to make his way up through the field here. O'Brien running really wide there, trying to get around that 5 car. Now Weldon, he's not on the lead lap, but his tires possibly could be fresher there. Actually, Brian, he pitted on lap 60, and Weldon pitted on 54. Weldon's making a good time, though. He's driving around the 4 car, Robbie Bice. They're not on the same lap, but he's able to drive through the field a little bit there. Now, all that's really doing is causing a little problem for the 84 because he's losing ground to the leaders. Now, Bradley, he's already, looks like he's 3 seconds clear of McLaughlin. McLaughlin, he's actually, now, he's quite a ways ahead of the third place car of Kevin O'Brien. You can see where he is right there across the line, and there's O'Brien now just coming out of 4. So definitely being held up by the 5 car, or just finding it difficult to get around him. There's yours truly, Tony Rice, running in the 6th position. Now, Duda and myself are 3 laps down. Wheeldon's 5 laps down. Looks like Gene Duda's on pit road. He might be coming in for some tires. Let's see. Looks like he's going to get tires for the 66 car. Left side's going on now. He's down and away. Duda making his way back out onto the track. Oh, and he's coming in again. May not be happy about something on that car. Now, he already got tires. I don't believe he looked like he entered pit road okay. He's just driving down this time. You know, he might have just been trying to get out of the way of the cars that are racing and try to enter a clean track there. That may be exactly what he's trying to do here. Now he's back out running once again. Now he does have the leader about 1.3 seconds behind him. And he's able to get back out now and get into a rhythm there. And there's Bradley right there. Now 6.5 seconds ahead of Sean McLaughlin. McLaughlin's still running there, and third place O'Brien is quite a ways back. He is still trying to get around the 5 car of Shane Weldon. I'm running in the 6th position there. And Bradley, he's in between some lap cars there. Bice ahead of him, Duda behind. Now he dives to the inside. I think Bice goes to the high side a little bit there, let the lead car through. Only 18 laps remaining. Brian Bradley about to cross the line here again, make it 17 to go. And there's second place, Sean McLaughlin. Excuse me. Kevin O'Brien looks like he's just about, is he going to get past the 5 of Shane Weldon? Looks like he will finally get around that 5 car. Man, that took up a lot of precious laps for the 84 to get around the 5. And might have tagged the wall there just a little bit, and he's still running wide. And now they've got the leader right behind them as well. Looks like the leader's going by the 5 car, and he gets around Weldon. And now O'Brien's in a little bit of trouble now. He's going to go a lap down here if he's not careful. O'Brien, McLaughlin, and Bradley are right now the only 3 cars on the lead lap. O'Brien, he might need a caution or something to happen here to stay on the lead lap, as Bradley continues to close in on the 84 car. Oh, and there he goes down to the inside. And I guess he figured, Bradley had such pace, probably better to just let him get on by. He's trying to push a bad position, trying to hold on to that lead lap. So now it's Bradley and McLaughlin on the lead lap. Let's see where McLaughlin is in relation to the leader. He's well ahead of the leader right now. In fact, I'm directly behind him. I think I might be, I'm still 2.2 seconds ahead of the leader. At this point, trying to just get to the end of the race. Had to serve that pit road speeding penalty, so that's dropped me down the order. So now it's just all about getting to the checker flag at this point. And oh, we do have a caution. Caution is on the track. Let's see. Oh no, Shane Weldon, he's smoking there. Not sure what happened. Let's run it back, see if we can see what happened to the 5 car. Okay, I think he might have just spot on his own from the looks of it. Yeah, coming out of 4, yeah, and he got it around and managed to keep it off the wall. Oh, Bice just does get by, and so does Duda. Oh, he wasn't as lucky. Did tag him there, trying to get by the 5. He was able to keep it running. Looks like he's got some damage, though. He's going to have to come in and use a faster pair to keep that 5 car going. Oh, no, and the engine blew on him before he could get to pit road. I wonder if he's going to drop it in neutral. No, I was going to see if he's going to try to toe in, but it looks like he's not toe in. It looks like he's going to try to coast in, but his engine blew before he could get back to pit road. So now he's towing in. There's McLaughlin coming in. Looks like the 77 is going to get tires. He's the only one on pit road at the moment. Looks like he's going to go ahead and get 4 tires. Or maybe not. Maybe he's just getting 2 tires and adding some fuel to the car. Let's see if he can get out before the field comes around. He's still waiting. There he gets away. Robbie Bison, he came down on pit road. He's the only other car we've seen come down. Hits his marks square there. Tires going on the 4 car. Looks like he's going to get a full set of tires here. Trying to get out. The leader's coming through turn out of 4 now. He'll get out and catch up with the pack before they go green. Lights are out on the pace car. No, I'm sorry, they're not out. My bad. I thought they were out. They're still on there. So folks, this is gonna shape up to be a green flag pit stop situation here. Or actually a green-white checker. That's what I meant to say. Green-white checker situation here. There's Bradley and McLaughlin. Now O'Brien, he's mired back in the field. All these lap cars between him and the 2 front runners. It'll be very difficult for him to get up there to even try to challenge for the win with that many cars between him and only a couple of laps to work with. Lights are out on the pace car. Everybody's lining up for the restart. Pace car is in and we're going. Here we go. 3 to go. Weldon trying to find a way I'm sorry, McLaughlin trying to find a way past the 14. Taking a look on the inside there. Oh, I think he got a little loose there. White flag is in the air. This is the last chance for McLaughlin. He's not going to be close enough, folks. They're going to come around to the checkered flag. It's going to be Vern Bradley. He's going to be your winner here tonight at Langley. Vern Bradley, your winner, ladies and gentlemen. And as he celebrates, we'll go ahead and bring up the final race results here. We'll get those pulled up here. Vern Bradley, your winner. Sean McLaughlin, second. Kevin O'Brien finishes third. Robbie Bice, fourth. Yours truly, Tony Rice, fifth position. Gene Duda in sixth. And Shane Weldon in seventh position. And I want to thank you for joining us here for the Duda's Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning 50 here at Langley Speedway. And for all of us here at Rice Motorsports TV, we want to wish you a pleasant evening.